Hello everyone, I'm back. I initially said that I was going to update you guys the next day about what I was going to do about my liners that didn't fit. And honestly, I was in really a bad mood. So I didn't want to come on and make a video and spread my negativity. So I was waiting until I got my replacements to update you guys. So let's talk about the update. Just to remind you guys, I was changing to my month 2, week 1 aligners, and month 2, week 1 top aligners fit perfectly. And then I went in to put in the bottoms, and they were just no go. I looked at them, I kind of compared them to my previous ones, month 1, weeks 3 and 4, and they looked nothing like that one. They looked like month 4 or 5. I went through all of my other aligner packages I had, and none of them looked like they were supposed to be month 2. So I just left in the top one that I had put in, and I put back in my old one. So I had 2 different months in my mouth at once, and I immediately emailed Smile Direct Club, and I told them, listen, I don't think this one's right. I don't think any matter of me doing a chewy or anything is going to get this in. It just doesn't look like it fits in the sequence. I compared it to month 1 and month 3, and it did not fit just by looking at it. So they asked me to send them pictures, and I did. And they were like, yeah, okay, cool, you're right. These aren't right. We're going to make you some new ones. I asked them, how long will that take? And they said 4 to 5 weeks. When I got that, I was kind of bummed out. I was hoping it'd be quicker, and all I could think is, wow, this is going to be now a 7-month process, if they even get it to me in 4 to 5 weeks. I was really negative, and I was in a negative headspace about it, so I was like, I'm not going to record a video right now. I don't want to even talk about it. I just don't even want to think. I don't even want to think. So fast forward to Tuesday. I am at home preparing for Hurricane Florence, and I get an email from FedEx saying, hey, you have a package being delivered to your house that will be delivered on Thursday. And I look to see who it's from, and it's Smile Direct Club. Yay! So I did not get a notification from Smile Direct Club. I've never received a notification from them, not one. If I didn't have an email from UPS or FedEx, I would have never known that my package was coming. So I don't know why they don't want to contact me. I don't know why, but they don't. But either way, I got the package, so thank you for sending it out, and sending it out so quickly. 2 weeks was much quicker than they originally said, and I'm very happy about that. I have the FedEx set up, which is great because I've had people steal my packages from my home. So now I know when packages are being delivered, and when they are delivered, I just go to my house immediately and I get them. I try to have them delivered at work, but businesses are closed on Saturdays and Sundays, so that doesn't always work out for me. But it came, and I'm very happy. I was nervous that maybe the hurricane was going to prevent it from being delivered, but it didn't. So I got this beautiful package today. I had seen some other people saying that they got like all new aligners, like all of the months. But I looked inside. I figured it couldn't have been all months in this little package. But they sent me all my month 2s over again. And I was kind of just looking at them, and they look really different. They feel different than all my other aligners. And they're just different. You can tell someone else or a different factory or something else made them. My old ones, they kind of have like bubbles where all of the gaps in my mouth are. These don't have those bubbles. And the tops look different than the tops I already had that fit perfectly fine. So I'm not really sure why they look so different, but I'm going to try them. I don't know. And the bottoms look like they're right now, so I'm really excited about that. And that's really all I have to say. So I'm just really happy that they came so quickly, and that's just life. Things happen. We make plans and God laughs. So here I go, putting these in. I'm I'm looking at my mirror over here, so bear with me. These like feel different than the ones too. They feel thinner and I feel like they're gonna irritate me. I cleaned them off already. Okay. They're they're very tight on the top, which is weird. I've been wearing the month 2 week one, the old ones, for 2 weeks. So why these feel so tight? They should be the same, right? Anyway, here goes the bottom. Oh God. Whew. The bottoms are very, very tight. Okay. I don't think I need to take anything. It's not anything like it was the first time I put them in. But they are very, very, very tight. I think not switching out my aligners for a month was it's gonna be very hard on my mouth right now. But otherwise, I'm very happy. I can feel that I'm gonna need to file them because I can feel it like scraping against my upper lip on the inside. The top of the aligner, I can feel it just scraping, and the top or bottom of this aligner, I can feel it rubbing against the inside of my mouth. So I'm gonna need to file them. I'm not gonna do it now. I'm gonna just leave them in my mouth because I don't feel like taking them out. So I will do that in the morning. But otherwise, everything feels fine. Everything fits like it's supposed to, and I'm very excited to be back on my journey, and I'm very excited to be sharing this with you guys again. So thank you so much for following along with me, and thank you so much for being patient with me, and I will see you guys in 1 week.